I'm Gavin Shapiro. I'm a partner here at Hones Lawyers. So problems that we solve for clients are development applications if a DA is refused by a council, or alternatively we act sometimes for neighbours in opposing DAs and we go to the Land and Environment Court. We act on compliance issues, so where something's alleged to have been done illegally without a development consent. Again, we go to the Land and Environment Court, either for or against, depending on who our client is. On the environmental side of things, it's I'm big in waste, so I do a lot in the waste industry, waste contracts, waste laws under the Protection of the Environment Operations Act, transportation of waste, illegal waste dumping, enforcement, compliance, all those sorts of things. Also do a fair bit on the environmental space, so environment protection licenses, laws relating to pollution and contamination, and acting where the EPA is investigating someone for an alleged breach of a license or a law. Each case is different, so we tailor every matter and every sort of journey or process to the specific client and the specific matter. In some cases, it might be a case of listening carefully to the client and issuing them advice, over the phone or in a meeting then and there. In other cases, it's a matter of getting detailed information, reviewing documents, coming up with a plan. So, for example, where you want a development to be approved and the council's opposed to it, developing a whole strategy with all the experts involved, and then stepping through the process and planning that process out over 6 to 12 months of how you're going to get that development approved. So in each case it's really different, but as far as we go and as far as I go, it's always up to the client. The client's at the centre of that, and it's about delivering the outcome the client wants in the way the client wants. So we're always open. I'm always very frank with clients, very upfront about what things are likely to cost, where advice is likely to go, and I think that builds the trust when they see we're being open.